Hello viewers, what I have here is a Carex 2.4G remote control buggy. It says turbo, diverse, cool light, high speed. I bought this at Amazon for about $40. Has the lights on the top. Nice big tires. This is what it looks like. Has two different colors, red and the light bluish over here. This is what it looks like in light blue color, very nice. It's a 1/18 scale model. Main function, forward, backwards, left, right, turbo. So remote control. I see pink on the box. They may even have pink on the, oh yeah, they do have pink. So if anybody's interested in buying a pink, light blue, red. So this is max speed, 1/18 scale. I'm gonna open up the box and see what's in it. This is compact in there. Oh, here it is. Here's the instruction, the operating manual right here. One battery, one screwdriver, and one charger right here. USB cable. Oh no, one charger. Okay. I'm gonna unloosen it from the box and I'll be right back. Just unbox this. So 1/18 scale, 9 inches, under 4 inches, or 4 inches or so. It's a cute buggy. Real nice. Not too heavy. Nice tires. Spare tire on the top. It's a 2-seater. Real nice. Nice fat tires. A shock. It's real good. This is the lights that turn on. This is what it looks like from the driving side. Feels good. Spoiler in the back, the shocks. Silver right here. This is where you unscrew to put the battery off on switch. I'm gonna put this together just so you have a general idea what it looks like. This is what it looks like out of the box. There's the light, very nice light. Yeah, right there. Looks real good. Nice tire, nice design on the side and the top. Looks like a buggy. Here's the extra spare tire. The spoiler. Very nice. This is what it looks like on the top. Here's the transmitter. I unscrewed it, put the two AA batteries here. It's an on off switch. The same with here, I put the battery here. It came with two batteries. I thought it came with one. There was one inside over here, inside, and a spare one. This is the on button, or on and off. Let me see how this goes. Just turned it on. It feels real good. It's a very nice buggy. One in 18-inch scale buggy. 9 inches long. Very nice. It feels nice. I want to test this out on the road. Maybe in the grass, on the cement. I'm going to take this out. And I will show you the results.